Yes, sir. Wow, just wow. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another breakdown video. So Jason White here again. Let's get started with the breakdown. Okay, so it's in the key of B. Right, let's listen to that again. So yeah, simple chords to recognize. Now I'm going to be calling out the numbers because I'm trying to like accommodate every skill level so that everyone goes on happy. So from now on I'll be calling out the numbers, but I would not be slow about it. So definitely you can slow the video down if you want to pick it up. All right, so again, what he played. So you grace to the 3 from the 2. So we have the chord now 5 4 7 3, then the 1 6 2 5. Okay, and then 5 minor 7, which is F sharp minor 7. So 5 2 4 flat 7 2. I'm gonna get used to this. Okay, and then the 1 dominant 1 7 1 flat 7 flat 7 3. Okay, all right. Hold on. What did he play here? Let me hear that again. Yeah, that's a chord. I think he did a grace. Did he grace this also? Because I know he graced this. But let me see if he graced to that 5. Let's see. Oh, he did. Yeah, he did. So okay, so we have flat 7 5 2. You're gracing the 2 from the 1. So why you grace the 5 from a half step below? So and then 6 4 1 5 3 7 4 2 6 3 5 2 5. Okay, let's move on. Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah, I get that. Yeah, okay. So yeah, yeah. Get that 2. All right. So 2 3 5 1. You'll take the 1 to the 7. So then we have a 10 on the 4 4 1 6. We have the 1 6. So then we have 6 4 5 1 4 5 1 1 2 3 4. Then we have the 2 minor 7. So 2 1 6 1 4. So I'm not sure he hits this one. I've got to check. I just want to be accurate, you know. It's yeah, he didn't hit it. Or did he? Yeah, I think I can hear that. Hold on. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. So yeah, that's the chord. Okay, then this. Oof. So we have flat 5 7 1 3. Okay, you grace to the 3 from the 2. So you hit the 2 and then you hit the 5. Then you do this 6 1 4 invert. So it's like inverting your 4 chord. Okay, that's the 4 chord major triad. Right, so da da da, you just invert it. So whatever key you are in, you just invert it, and then you go to your 2. So you hit the 3 and then 2 on the left hand. You chord 1 flat 5 6 simultaneously. So and then that leads you to 7 4 flat 6 2. Okay, and I like this movement here. I like this this movement he did. Let's see where we can use it in a song. Because he lives. So because he lives, right? I can face tomorrow. Yeah, I think I put it. You're supposed to go to the 2 after that previous chord. Okay, so yeah, you can use it in that sense as a 2-5. Or one thing you could do is, as I did it in this song, I replace the 5 with this movement. So it's like going from the 5 and then going back to the 2 and then coming back to the 5. A quick movement is very, very interesting movement you can add to your vocabulary. So let's move on. Oh, wait a minute. So after that, hold on, I think I missed that first chord now again. Okay, yeah, that's the. I think it's gracing this. Okay, is this his gracing? Yeah. So then you hear this okay. Yeah, so oh, hold on, I think that is too deep. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So that is that's the then yeah. I think that's the 5 is gracing. Yeah, that's the 5. Yeah, so we have no, it's gracing the 7 instead. And then I think this, then all right. Let me see what you played after that. Okay, yeah, that's then the tritone. Okay, we'll come to that. So let's do this first. So I keep making that's what he did at the beginning. I'm used to, and I'm also used to gracing the melody notes. So we have, I did it again. So we have the 5 7 grace 6 flat 7 to 7. So when you hold the 3, so 4 5, you hit the 5 bass, then you do this. So what it's doing is a 5 1 3 to a 4 flat 7 2. You can grace, you can hit the 1 from the 7, so ba-dum. So that's what it's doing. So hit the 5 again, bottom, and then this 1 flat 7 3, and then 5 2 4 flat 7 3 3 5 1. Then he did okay, so you grace 5 flat 5 to 5, and then 1 3, and then you take that 1 3 to flat 7 2, so, and then that takes you to 4 6 1. Let me listen to that. Let's do that one again. Okay, yeah. So then so after this you go to 2 5 7, then try to flat 2 5 to 2 flat 6. Try to sorry. Okay, and then you cover that up on your right hand with the 1 and the 4. You hit the E bass, the 4 on the bass. So okay, let's see what you did next. So after that, then very simple. This I think did that sus dominance. Then this popular. Okay. So let me see what I did after that. Yeah, hold on. I think that's E on the bass. Yeah, that's it. It's playing this chord. So yeah, that's. I'm going to struggle to reach that, so I'm going to cover that up with my right hand. So where did we stop now? Forgotten. Okay, yeah. So to thy precious, right? So it's to thy precious. Actually, to thy precious. Then okay. So 2 4 flat 7 1 3. Right, melodic line. To thy precious. 5 5 1. You play the 6 and the 5. 3 4 3 2 3. Hit 7 on the bass, and then you chord 4 2 4 6, and then sus dominance. So 3 6 7 2 plus 5, and then the 6 goes to downwards flat 6, and then the flat 5 goes to 4. So, and of course you should know this can serve as a passage to the 6, so you should try it out yourself. Okay, and then so we have the 10th here on the left, 6 3 1, and then we have grace 6 flat 7 7, while you hold it 2. This is hard to call out. Right, you take that to the 6 and 1. Okay, and then it does this. So 7 flat 7 2, you actually grace to the flat 7 from the 6, so, and that takes you to the flat 6 1. Yeah. Your left hand plays 4 2 flat 6. All right, let's move on. I think it's here. Yeah, we got the melodic line here. So that is a 5 5 1 5. Okay. Okay, we'll come to that. So I think it's yeah. So he's doing 3 7 6 4 3. Left hand does 7 6 2. Arpeggiates actually. 2 1 7. This actually, so we have the 3 6 2 7 4. It's the 7 there on the melodic line, and then only change is this 6 going down. So all right, let's see what that licky did. Yeah, so 5 6 1 6 5 3 2 1 6 5 3 2 1 2 3 flat 3 2 1. That is 2 flat 3 2 1. Yeah, something like that. But you could just play B pentatonic and try to put in some grace in between.